Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Precious and welcome to our Grade 7 Mathematics class. For today's video, we will be discussing about the measure of volume and capacity. To begin with, let's define what is volume and capacity. So first, let's have the volume. When we say volume, it is the amount that container will hold in cubic units. While capacity, it is the amount that a container will hold. So, kanina dun sa volume, the amount of a container will hold in cubic units. While capacity, it is only the amount that a container will hold. For better understanding on the difference of volume and capacity, meron tayo ditong cylinder and box. So, unahin natin yung ating cylinder. So, let's see how many cups that this cylinder will hold. Altogether, let's count the cups of sugar in one at a time. So, let's have the first cup. Then, when we have 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups, and 5 cups. Then, the last one is 6 cups. So, the capacity of the cylinder is 6 cups. So, yun yung sinasabi nating capacity. Altogether, let's count the number of cubes that it will take to fill this box. So, first, we have here the 5. Next is, so we have now 10. Next, we have 15 cubes. Then, 20 cubes. Then, kapag nilagyan pa ulit natin ng another 20 cubes sa kanyang taas, then we have now 40 cubes. Next, kapag dinagdagan ulit natin ng 20 cubes, then we have now 60 cubes. Then, kapag dinagdagan ulit ng 20 cubes, then we have 80 cubes. So, the volume of this box is 80 cubic units. Before we proceed to the common measures of capacity, let's sum up muna. So, kapag sinabi nating capacity, it is the amount that a container will hold. Then, kapag sinabi nating volume, it is the amount that a container will hold in cubic units. So, now, let's proceed na sa ating mga common measures of capacity. So, we have here the fluid ounce, milliliter, cup, liter, pint, quart, and gallon. And the common measures of volume are cubic inch, cubic foot, cubic centimeter, cubic meter, and cubic yard. For this time, let's have the conversion table for capacity and volume. So, unahin natin yung conversion table for capacity. So, eto siya. So, we have here the units kiloliter. Kapag nilagay natin sa volume, magiging cubic meter. Then, equivalent in liter is 1,000 liters. Next is hectoliter, which is 100 liters. Decaliter, which is 10 liters. Then, liter, kapag nilagay sa volume, magiging cubic decimeter, then equivalent of 1 liter. Next is deciliter, which is 0.1 liter. Centiliter is 0.01 liter. Milliliter is cubic centimeter kapag sa volume. Then, it has equivalent in liter of 0.001 liter. Then, after that, we have here the chart that shows how to convert one unit of measure of capacity to another. So, gagamitin ulit natin dito yung ating King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Now, let's have an example on how to use this chart in converting capacity. So, let's have the first one, which is, yan, convert 5.6 kiloliter to liter. So, yung ating kiloliter ay nandito. Then, i-convert daw natin siya sa liter, which is ito. So, kapag nandito tayo sa kiloliter, magmumove tayo ng right, doon papunta sa liter. So, 1, 2, then 3. So, nag-move tayo ng 3 beses pa right. Ibig sabihin, magmumove din tayo ng 5 or 3 times doon sa ating right. So, ito, dito yung point natin. So, magmumove lang tayo ng 3 beses. 1, 2, 3. So, dito, lalagyan lang natin siya ng zeros. Ibig sabihin, yung ating 5.6 kiloliter is equal to 5,600 liters. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Next, let's have the second one. So, we have here 2,675.4 decimeter cube is equal to hectoliter. So, kung papansin niyo yung ating decimeter ay nandito siya. Yan. Then, i-convert down natin siya into hectoliter. So, 1, or dito 1, 2, and 3. So, magmamove tayo ng 3 beses pa left. So, isulat ko muna siya. So, we have 2, 6, 7, 5.4. Then, magmumove tayo ng 3 beses pa left. So, we have 1, 2, 3. So, nandito na ngayon yung ating point. So, i-rewrite ko lang. So, we have now 2.675.4. Then, yung ating magiging unit now will be hectoliter. So, we have hectoliter. So, yung 2,675.4 decimeter cube is equal to 2.6754 hectoliter. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. After conversion of capacity, proceed naman tayo sa conversion table for volume. So, eto siya. So, meron tayo ditong mga units na cubic kilometer, cubic hectometer, cubic decameter, cubic meter, cubic decimeter, cubic centimeter, and cubic millimeter. So, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat sila ay may cubic. Kasi nga, sinabi natin kanina na kapag volume yung pinag-uusapan, yung ating unit will be cubic. Then, meron tayo dito yung chart na gagamitin natin for conversion ulit, which is yung King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. For better understanding, let's have an example. Kung naaalala nyo yung sa ating conversion or measuring area noon, meron kasi tayo doong exponent na 2. So, kapag may exponent tayo ng 2, kapag nag-move sana tayo ng isang beses, magiging dalawa yung ating movement kasi nga naka-square siya. So, dito, ganun din yung gagawin natin. Pero, cube yung ating gagamitin or naka-raise siya ng 3. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-move tayo ng isang beses dito sa ating chart, then, ang equivalent nun ay mag-move tayo ng 3 beses doon sa ating i-convert na number. So, for better understanding or para mas maintindihan nyo, let's have an example. So, let's convert 8 kilometer cube to decameter cube. So, yung ating kilometer will be here. Then, gagamitin kasi natin yung meter. Then, i-convert down natin siya sa ating decameter cube. So, mag-move lang tayo ng pa-right. So, we have 1 and 2. So, ito yung sinasabi ko dito, na kapag nag-move tayo ng isang beses, ang i-move natin, or yung equivalent ng movement sa ating given na 8 will be 3 times. So, 3 beses na, dito yung point. Nag-move tayo ng 3 beses. Yun yung equivalent ng isang movement doon sa ating chart. So, kapag dalawa yung ating movement, then mag-add ulit tayo ng 3 pa dito. 1, 2, 3. Then, lalagyan lang natin ng mga zeros ito. Yan. Para ma-convert na natin siya sa decameter. So, yung 8 kilometer cube will be, so, i-rewrite lang natin. 8, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So, yung equivalent niya will be 8 million decameter cube. So, ganun lang siya. Next, let's have the second example. So, what is 480 million millimeter cube in meter cube? So, ito naman, dito tayo sa millimeter. Then, i-convert natin siya into meter cube. So, since meter ang gagamitin natin, then, andito siya. So, from right, mag-move tayo pa left. So, we have 1, 2, 3. So, mag-move tayo ng 3 beses. Pero, kapag minove natin ng 3 beses yon, times 3 natin kasi nga naka-cube siya. So, 3 times 3 will give us 9. Ibig sabihin, mag-move tayo ng 9 times. So, andito yung point natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, yung ating point will be here. Then, kapag nire-write natin yan, magiging equal to 0.480. Then, 1, 2, 3 na 0. I-re-write ko lang yung 480 million kanina. Yan. Then, since na-convert na natin, magiging meter cube na yung ating unit or cubic meter. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. After the conversion table or conversion for the capacity and volume, let's have naman yung customary system natin. So, the metric system provides some measurements that is very useful in the kitchen. So, this table shows how to convert some kitchen measurement into metric system. So, meron tayo ditong teaspoon, tablespoon, fluid ounce, cup, pint, quart, and gallon. So, 1 tablespoon is equal to 5 milliliter. Then, 1 tablespoon is equal to 15 millimeter or milliliter. Then, 1 fluid ounce is equal to 30 milliliter. 1 cup is equal to 0.4 liters or 0.24 liters. 1 pint is equal to 0.47 liters. 1 quart is equal to 0.95 liters. Then, 1 gallon is equal to 3.8 liters. So, i-multiply lang natin siya sa mga nandiyan para makuha natin or para ma-convert natin yung mga given na units natin. So, for better understanding, let's have an example. Let's have now the first example. So, how many liters is 16 cups of milk? So, yung 16 cups of milk ay i-convert daw natin siya sa liters. Kasi nga ang tinatanong ay kung ilang liters ba yung 16 cups of milk. So, ngayon titignan natin doon sa ating table kung saan dyan yung cup to milk, papuntang milk. So, meron tayo ditong cup to milk or to liter. So, ita-times lang daw siya natin sa 0.24 para makuha natin yung equivalent niya. So, we have now 16. Ita-times lang natin sa 0.24. So, we have 0.24. Then, ang magiging sagot natin will be 3.84. Then, yung ating magiging unit na will be liters. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Next, let's have the second one. How many milliliters of cough syrup is there in a bottle which contains 2.6 fluid ounce? So, ang gagawin naman natin dyan, yung fluid ounce ay i-convert natin into milliliter. So, ano yung gagawin natin? Tingnan ulit natin sa table kung ano yung i-multiply natin para makuha yung ating sagot. So, we have here fluid ounce. I-multiply natin daw siya sa 30 para maging milliliter siya. So, we have now 2.6. I-multiply lang natin sa 30 para makuha natin yung conversion. So, 2.6 times 30 will give us 78. Then, yung ating magiging unit na will be ml. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. And that is our lesson for today about the measure of volume and capacity. I hope you understand how to differentiate volume from capacity and on how to convert one measure of units to another. And that ends our lesson for today. For questions or clarifications, just comment down below and I will try my best to answer it correctly and properly. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And just click the notification bell for you to be updated on my upcoming video lesson. God bless everyone!